Welcome. Let's just discuss alkynes. In alkynes, there must be at least one triple bond between two carbon atoms. The simplest alkyne is ethine, also known as acetylene. The general formula for alkynes is CnH2n-2. Let's say we have 4 carbon atoms. It's going to be C4. And then how many hydrogens? We're going to say 2 times 4, which is 8, and then minus 2, which is 6, something like that. Okay. And then since alkynes have at least one triple bond, or meaning that they are unsaturated, they are more reactive than alkanes. Remember, alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons, and then alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. So alkenes and alkynes are more reactive than alkanes. The triple bond forms the functional group of alkynes. Remember what we said about the functional group. It can be a bond, it can be an atom, it can be a group of atoms. Okay, that's the functional group. And then during chemical reactions, the bond breaks and more atoms can attach to the molecule to form more saturated compounds or molecules with double bonds, meaning that from alkynes you can form alkenes, you can also form alkanes. Then what are the uses of alkynes? Amongst many uses of alkynes, they are used to synthesize other chemical products. So alkynes are used to synthesize other chemical products, just like the alkenes. The other use is where it is used for gas welding. The highly exothermic combustion reaction of ethane and oxygen produces temperature which is above 3000 degrees Celsius. That's why it is used for gas welding. In our next lesson, we're going to discuss about the haloalkanes.